So in today's video, we are doing a site visit to one of our flip houses. The house sits on 16 acres. Only 6 of the 16 is currently usable, and we're actually going to be able to double that usable acreage by clearing out all the trees that you see behind me here. This way, when we take it to market and we advertise it as a 16-acre piece, showing that 12 acres are usable, this should increase not only the value of the property, but the appeal as well. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Jesse Stolz. I'm an active house flipper and real estate investor. I got started in the business in 2010, and by the age of 30, I was a millionaire due to my house flipping business. Fast forward to today, I still actively flip multiple homes each and every month, and I've grown my real estate portfolio to 30 million in assets. We're actually going to be starting to fall some trees any minute now. I have a cutter back there. He's getting ready to fire up the chainsaw and get to work, so let's go back and take a look. And we are cutting, buddy. This is about a 125-foot tall fir tree right here. It's going to make a lot of noise, but it's pretty cool to see. These guys are incredibly talented on how they're able to actually fall the tree like exactly where they want it to within a couple feet. Pretty amazing to watch. You're starting to go. Yoo-hoo! Now they basically take a measuring tape as he's doing and cut it into sections that is optimal for selling to the mill. How long are those sticks that you cut them into? 36 to 40? Gotcha. This tree that he's working on right now is leaning a lot in the wrong direction. So what you're going to see is he's going to try to wedge it over. When he's hammering that wedge, and if he can't do it, and it's not wedging properly, he's then going to go to a next tree behind it and actually fall that tree into the next one, creating a domino effect and putting it down in the right direction. It's pretty incredible. Oh, it's going. It's starting to go, I think. Stand there. I love it. Yeah, dude, it's pretty thick.
That's pretty good.
This is a monster tree that are falling right here. He's going to put it in the same direction. This is definitely one of the bigger ones of the bunch. All right, so this is going to be cool. This tree right here, he is having difficulty getting it to wedge over. That is a big, big tree. So what he's doing is he's moving on to this other tree over here. Where is he? He's right here, and he's going to fall that tree into this other one to get it to go the direction he wants it to go. So this is going to be wild. No? Okay. Yeah. Let's give her a try. This is going to be awesome. He's falling this tree and trying to fall it into that tree to make them fall in the right direction that they need to. This is, I don't know, this is cool. It says he thinks it might go the wrong direction. You think it's going to go? Oh, there we go.
I don't know if it'll catch it.
Oh! That was awesome. So far, we've only taken out about a dozen or so trees, and already it's starting to just open everything up, which is really nice. And as you can see behind me here, I mean, this is all like pretty thick forest everywhere in here. And if I kind of look to the direction where we started cutting, as you can see, I mean, look how much that opens up in through there. It's all that in there. It's nice just getting the extra sunlight, having the extra usable land is going to be incredible. I'll pan over here this way and you'll see it was all just very, very thick, very, very thick timber. I mean, look at that. It's beautiful. It's great, but it's just not usable. I'm very excited to be able to increase the usable acreage on this property. And I know that the end buyer is going to appreciate that and they're going to absolutely love it. So I'm excited to just see how, as we continue to get rid of some more and more trees, how it opens up and how the land actually starts to look better and better. It's going to be great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As you can see, there's still an absolutely ton of work to be done with this property. The clearing of the land, the cleanup, the fixing up of the house, everything. There's so much work to still be done here. We've only scratched the surface. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned, watch the transformation in real time. See ya.